sun is rising over hills so green, a new day dawning, a forgotten scene. The city's noise is a distant sound, but the roots of love are in this ground. Through the struggle and the weary miles, we trade our worries for a brighter smile. So let the rivers flow where the four winds blow, through the fire and the pouring rain. One steady heart will remain. One steady heart will remain. They build their towers of stone and steel, but they don't know how the heart can feel. A simple truth in a melody, a song of hope to set you free. No need to hurry, no need to fight. Just walk in rhythm within a light. Let the rivers flow where the four winds blow, through the fire and the pouring rain. One steady heart will remain. One steady heart will remain. Lift your voice up, let it be heard. Every struggling soul, every spoken word. Jah will guide us through the darkest night, to a place of love, to a peaceful life. So share your bread with a hungry man. Walk together hand in hand. No more crying, no more pain. The sun will shine like a healing flame. Let the rivers flow